Welcome to Smart Home Design. This morning what we're doing is changing a top on an induction range. So we're going to go through step by step, and right now is just removing all of the screws that hold the top on, and the other top is right here. We're ready to go, and it looks like it's the only part that you change is just the top. We just removed the back, and you can see all the control systems. Now we're going to see what is involved in removing the top.
Oh yeah, there's going to be a little more work than that. Okay. Look at the front. Let me look at the front here. Is this the back end? Yep. So it is hooked underneath there. Two clips. It looks like it is screwed under here, so we may have to take the whole front of this off.
It seems there's some screws or connections on the front that have to be removed.
This one.
You want me to hold them, Chris?
Oh my goodness. I always put this somewhere where it's safe.
Back in the box if you want.
Just gonna sit right on
Okay.
Okay.
So the front is removed now, and we should get access to all the screws.
Stand right foot in there and save stuff. These are just shipping. Actually, I'm gonna set it over here right back in this.
Sure.
All right. Make sure that's undone. That's good. All right. Now it should be able to come off of there. It's a little warm.
Yeah.
I'm going to move the top. I'm going to put the new top on the table. Set the old top up there.
Mhm.
one side by each.
What we're doing is, it seems that the top is connected to the panel that has all the inductance radiators in it. So now we've got them side by side and removing all of the screws that hold the top to the, I guess, control panel.
Theoretically, that should count. Unless there's something in front here. Oops. Anything there? Maybe not a couple of them either. There we go.
Wow.
Oh, and what's the way? Just about actually right there. You want to quickly see what's under here?
Yeah. So now we're showing you what is all the inductance coils,
These are magnetic coils.
all the magnetic coils.
There is a main computer board under here. And this is your display.
Display,
You
yeah.
can see the vastness of these elements.
Yeah.
Technically, they're not elements, but
Yeah.
elements.
Wow, quite a bit of copper down there.
How many thousands of feet are in those coils?
Yeah.
That's hard to say. That's a good sound.
So now we fastened the control boards and everything. Now we're going to go back onto the top. Hang on a sec, I'll pull this out if you want. It's caught. There we go.
Just gotta get it back forward. And these should be in position. Except, oh, that's good. That's in. Good. Whew. Oh, now that my boss sees that video, they'll know that I actually work. Well, Kevin's away right now. They've gone to the bank show. So, of course, the main boss, the big guy, he panics whenever a call comes in. He just gets himself all wound up over. I said, just relax. It's just a service call. All right, let's get the wiring all done back here. I think I gotta wait. Not sure what that. Oh, should be good. Now we're just reversing everything.
So I guess they pick up power from the back, take it up to the panel, I guess, with a computer board there, and then the control comes off the front.
This main board controls all of the electronic circuitry and sends the power to the main top also.
So now what we're doing is just replacing the front control knobs. The back is all complete. The back panel is on again. And hopefully in a few minutes we'll do a test.
Oops, I'm over there. Sorry about that. That would come up in error code. Well, actually, it wouldn't, because that's where it would have gone. Under here, make sure there's no wires hanging through, and there is. There we go. And we're almost done.
Cool.
You get a taillight guaranteed on that. So. It makes it nice that you're an easy person to deal with and you understand what sometimes this stuff is all about. Mm-hmm. Not always the case. Laws of physics.
No, I'm happy with Samsung in general, but I was really disappointed with them with their attitude of, you know.
Well, I can show you the email. It
Yeah.
was, no customer issue will not cover. That was it. One line. So Kevin sent him a nice little email back saying if you really concentrate hard and look at the top, you'll see what we're talking about. No. So it makes it kind of tough to, you know, they're on cutting edge technology. Mm-hmm. But you get tired of having the battle. Not like it's a $5,000
Yeah,
top.
for yeah.
That's why. Okay. I'll get back in so we can get this in. So this is the stove and the fridge.
That happens every time. Part of the new smoke alarm system. Every time that the inductance fires, that will actually trigger.
Every time you turn the stove on?
No, it did it in the beginning, but not anymore. Yeah. It's the part, I think, part of the magnetic field or something that thing senses to.
That's, to be honest with you, that's the first time I've ever heard that.
Yeah.
Let's get you back in. Still got this Wi-Fi thing, even though there we go.
Yeah, the Wi-Fi is connected already.
Yep, that's good. In there. We keep sliding as we're pushing it. There we go. All right, clock. 9:23.
Mm-hmm.
AM, yep, start. Just gonna quickly test the oven.
Mm-hmm.
No air codes come out, fans working, good. Okay. I don't know if we'll get much going on here, but the blue is coming on, so that's good.
Yeah.
But it looks nice at night.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Good.
This is
You can use that, yeah.
this one. Like I said, the customer I was on that weekend too, or last weekend, she had all these bubble marks around here. She goes, look at that, it's popping. I said, no. I grabbed the razor blade.
Take it off, yeah.
I said, I'm sorry. I said, but these companies are very, very not tolerant, but you see that?
Yeah, yeah.
Stomach actually
Yeah.